friends! Welcome back to Once Upon a Book. Today we're learning something magical. What makes rainbows? Let's go on a color adventure. Have you ever seen a rainbow after it rains? It looks like a giant smile in the sky. Rainbows have lots of colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. But where do they come from? Rainbows happen when sunlight shines through raindrops. Raindrops are tiny, tiny circles of water, and inside each drop, something amazing happens. Sunlight looks white, but it's actually made of lots of colors hiding inside. When sunlight hits a raindrop, the light bends, and the colors spread out like this, swoosh, and that makes a rainbow. Let's say the rainbow colors together. Ready? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. You did it! Those are the colors of the rainbow. Want to make your own rainbow? You can! All you need is a sunny day, a garden hose, and an adult helper. Stand with the sun behind you. Then, ask your grown-up to help you spray the water into the air. Look closely. Do you see it? A tiny rainbow in the mist. Wow! You made rainbow magic. So, let's remember, rainbows happen when sunlight bends inside raindrops, the colors spread out, and make a beautiful sky painting. It's nature's special surprise for us. Thanks for learning with me today. Come back to Once Upon a Book for more colorful adventures. Bye, friends!